Barber hood, black box. Alright. Look like they're working with Eversense. Got the Eversense blade in there. Got a little brush in there. Into this career, I say do it. And we gonna get it open now.
Do that, man, like that. She said that I ain't like that, but I swear this ain't no fake gut. Hell
yeah. Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. First off, Happy New Year's to everybody. Welcome to 2024. Hopefully everybody made it through pretty good. The New Year's was good to you, at least the first couple of days, right? So here we are. I put out my video of the Clippers of 2024, right? But at that same token, let me turn this top light off. That thing bright. Oh, well, so I put out the Clippers of 2024, right? Or the Clippers that you should be bringing into 2024, right? But in that same token, there are still new products coming out, right? And this is a product that it's been out for a minute. But I haven't even, not that I haven't thought about it, it's just been in the back of my mind, right? So, today what we have is the Veloce trimmer from CoccoPro trimmers, right? CoccoPro trimmers and clippers, right? Now, the last time I reviewed anything from Cocco was their, was these here, and which I still use, still in rotation. I reviewed their clippers that go along with that, and I also reviewed the ambassador blade that I bought. But they have brought out the Veloce trimmers and clippers. Now, as far as clippers, I did not buy the clippers, but I did buy the trimmers. The trimmers on their website is $160. So that's what we got here, right? I did get the black version. They got a couple of different colors, and they also have a charging dock if you want to get a charging dock to go along with it. But I didn't want to get the charging dock, or let's say this time I didn't get the charging dock. I just got the clipper. All right, so this is a professional high torque brushless motor. This is their version 2, so I guess it is either it's the second version to the trimmer that I already use, or it's just the second version of the Veloce. I will look into that. This is long lasting, fast charging lithium ion battery. You get a full charge in 3 hours, gets you 2 hours of run time. Again, not saying that I'm in the mechanics, and no, I don't like when the charging time is longer than the running time, but I won't even get into that because I don't know how that works, right? That's not even my forte, right? So this is their digital gap blade. I do not think it's their ambassador blade though. I think it's just a regular digital blade. Oh no, it says pre-installed. It says the digital gap ambassador DLC pre-installed limited edition, so maybe it does have their ambassador blade on it. But either way, let's get into it. So these are the other colors that they have that come along with it. If y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know I'm a fan of the black, so I had to grab the all black. This is the sleeve, USB charging, 2 hours of runtime. This is the sleeve, which we get to the box, right? And the box is the like shoebox type style. So let's get that off the top. All right, don't want to lose nothing. We do get the pamphlet that comes along with it. So this is the machine. Ooh, it is small. It is tiny. It don't look that small on when you see advertised or people using it. Don't seem that small, but nonetheless, they come with their 2 boxes, come with their logo on it. So let's open this first. Something's on my camera. I don't know what it is. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I do got the mic set up. If y'all can't, I'll just have to do it over again. Y'all won't even know I said that. You do get the USB, the charging cord. You do get a, if I can get it, you do get the charging block, which is cool. Just a regular USB. Clipper oil and cleaning brush. And this time they, I don't remember if they did last time or not, but they do include a screwdriver, or their style of screwdriver for the blade. And then in the second box, it's actually nothing in there. It's literally nothing. So that's cool. But so that's pretty much all you get. You do get the charging cable. And like I said, they do have charging stands on the website. It don't come with it, but they do have it on the site. This is a small clipper. This is the design. I do like that all black, and it does come with the Ambassador digital gap blade. And this is not to get into the digital gap and all that. I already talked about that. Again, this is $160 on their website. If you know anybody that works with Cocco, maybe you get a discount code or whatever. But this is the trimmer. See, it says Cocco there. I do like the size of that though. When it comes to a trimmer, I'm more of a fan of a smaller trimmer. The Babyliss Go to Effects are good, but they are longer. The Instincts are, the trimmer is good, but it's a little bit thicker in certain spots. So this, I'm trying to find that I'm trying to find my flex trimmer that is somewhere around here. For some reason, I can't find my flex trimmer. Ah, right in front of me. What they say, if it was a snake, it would have bit you. So this has been my go-to trimmer for a long time. Is the flex. It's the different build or whatever. So not to compare, it's just to show what I've been moving towards when it comes to the trimmers. I do like the high-vis from Wahl. It is a little bit longer though, but it is slim. Got a nice grip on it. All right. So see these little grooves on there. I do like the little detailed grooves here. It does got the charging port here. Hanging hook up under there. I said it in another video. Who else got a clipper with a hang? Oh, Babyliss. I don't know if anybody still hang. Maybe. I'm just saying, I don't know, right? So it is their digital gap blade, and their biggest thing is the blade. So hopefully I won't have to set the blade. I've been using this since it came out. I don't remember when, but I did not have to set that at all. But it's good on kids and everything. So that has been the main reason it has stayed in my arsenal. So I won't be setting this unless it need to, but for the most part, Murano does a good job on setting the blade, so I won't even think about that. Put the sound on. Not bad. In this room, everything sounds a little louder, but this is quiet. This is the high-vis trimmer I've been using. So it's a lot quieter than that. And then we got the flex. The flex seems just a little bit louder, but nothing crazy. I've been using that, but I am ready to put this to the test. I know a lot of people think how I feel about Cocco. It's not. Anyway, we're not going to talk about that. But anyway, have you tried this? Leave down in the comments if you've tried the clipper or if you tried the trimmer from Cocco, the Veloce. I think I'm saying that right, maybe. V-E-L-O-C-E, Veloce trimmer from Cocco. We will put it to use. Again, leave down in the comments if you tried it. How do you feel about it? Do you think they can keep up with the other trimmer and clipper companies that's dropping clippers a little bit more often? All right. I don't even know if I said that in the video. First off, if you're not subscribed, well, I'm gonna say first, but if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and welcome to 2024. We will have more videos, more tutorials, more unboxings, more reviews, and we will definitely be putting up a review on this and putting it to use and making sure that we get a good feel for it. And if need be, oh, and it does have a USB-C charging port up under there. I don't know if I even mentioned that, but it do. Got the regular and then it got the USB-C. So Yeah, maybe if I put it to a bigger watt battery, it give it a little faster charge than at 3 hours. But anyway, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will return sometime soon. Peace.